Welcome back to our channel. Okay, we are on paper fee question 1A6. Okay, for this question, I want to share my idea about how to tackle or how to draw a graph. Okay, using a diagram to show off your understanding of economics. Okay, look here, it's about international trade diagram. So you have to remember why it's thick. Okay, explain how an export substitute could be increased the quantity of salmon exported from Chile. Okay, how to increase the export. Okay, so first of all, remember demand supply curve. Okay, so first remember to use ruler to draw your graph. Okay, that's it will be ugly. Okay, so remember demand and supply. Okay, so it's demand, and then it is the supply curve. You can draw it in any way you like. Okay, it is the normal demand and supply curve. Okay, and what is an international trade diagram? They have a special supply curve by the world. Yeah, where the price is constant. Okay, so we have a supply curve, a string supply curve that is horizontal. Okay, and then the question about export subsidy. So subsidy who? Consumer or producer? Yes, of course, producer, right? Subsidy the producer. So the producer can export with a lower price, right? Lower price. So the whole supply curve will shift down by the unit amount of export subsidy. So it go down. Okay. Another supply curve. So you got all the things you need. Second part is that you need to label them clearly. Yes, you know what is it. Yes, I know what is it, but the market doesn't know it. So you need to label it clearly. This is price. This is quantity. Okay, and then you can use symbol. This is a demand. And now you have two supply. One is a domestic supply, so you can say it is domestic supply, domestic supply. And then this one is the world supply, right? You can say PW, world price. Okay, world price. Okay. So this is all the diagram, but you notice something strange. 2SD, okay? You need to label them by 1 and 2 easier. 1 is the original and 2 is the later one. You can even add some arrow here to show the change, okay? And then the marker can clearly know, the thing. And then next one, you have the time to answer the question, okay? Increase the quantity of salmon export. Salmon export quantity, though it is a supply curve for domestic, right? But not all the domestic supplied quantity is going for foreign. Some are bought by the domestic consumer. So this is the export original, right? And later on, the supply got shipped to the right. Okay, the total quantity supplied increases, but the quantity demand the domestic is still the same. So it is the later one export. So this gap is the increase of export. So first of all, all the thing about the theory. Next time, then you have to have a better, a great presentation. Yes, about this kind of concept export. So you have to mark down vertically. Okay, sorry, I don't have a broken line thing to draw broken line. So draw it down there, down there, down there. So you mark it down as a fee quantity or a QQQ. And following the same labeling, this 1 and 2. So this 1 and 2, Q1. This is Q2, okay? And this Q is the quantity demand, can say QD or just Q is here. It's okay. So you got all the things. So now is the sharing time. Okay, I want to make it a little bit thicker. Okay, sharing time about the thing. Okay, so you must just say to tell people before and after because it's a change to mark the point here. Before is point A. After the substitute, change to point B. It's a percentage, very important. Okay. Before, okay, you can say before the subsidy, say clearly. The economy is at point A, and the export E1 equals Q1 minus Q. Yeah, you say it clearly, okay. And after that, it changed to point B, okay. I use my pen again. After that, it changed to point B, and then the export becomes E2. Always remember to label them, or you can write some word before it. I just write down the symbol, and then answer the question. Increase of export is E2 minus E1. By our analysis, we know that the distance between AB, so it's Q2 minus Q1. Okay, and what do you need to add? Maybe you can add something here. You can describe what happened to the subsidy because of the subsidy. So as the shift to the right, okay. Yeah, you can add some description, explanation. Remember, shift to the right, okay. And that's all, okay. I do it so slowly to help you to understand everything is a thought. You have all the thing in your mind. You just need to do it step by step. Some keywords are important. International trade diagram, it means a horizontal world supply curve with the price of the world. And the other thing is local domestic demand and supply curve. And then remember to label them A, B, Q, Q1, Q2, label them clearly. And then to describe it clearly, especially in paper 3, sometimes more calculation. And I'm sure you get a perfect marks for this question. See you for next one. Bye.